Hi everyone, it's Reem and I hope you are doing well. In this video, let's talk about how to make money online from Redbubble professionally with 8 different ways. And definitely you can work on only one way, or you can work on all of them together to maximize your profits and your passive income. And now let's begin with the first way to make money online from Redbubble, which is being an artist and a designer. And of course, we all know how to be a professional designer on Redbubble and upload your beautiful designs. And it's okay if you have a good experience on design by using some softwares like Photoshop and Illustrator. But if you don't have this experience and this background of design, just don't sweat it, because you can create your beautiful designs in other websites and tools like Canva, Vesta Create, UdeSign, or by using your smartphones. And of course, I have talked about how to create your beautiful designs in a big playlist, and you'll find this big playlist below in the first comment. Anyway, and cut to the short, being an artist on Redbubble, just you upload your designs and just you can get paid some royalties for your products that are being sold. Okay, so the first way to make money online from Redbubble is being an artist. Second way to make money online from Redbubble, which is working as an affiliate of Redbubble. And rather than creating designs, just you can promote other artists' designs on social media and to be affiliate of Redbubble. And to work as an affiliate on Redbubble, there are two options or two platforms. The first one is Flex Offers. It is a huge affiliate network, that contains Redbubble affiliate program, And the next one is Yazing.com, So you can work as an affiliate of Redbubble by using these platforms, Flex Offers and Yazing. And of course, I have talked about in details how to be an affiliate of Redbubble. You will find this video below in the first comment. So the second way is being an affiliate of Redbubble. And the third way to make money online from Redbubble is working as a freelancer. And the freelancer is the person or the specialist who's working on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Goro, People Per Hour, Upwork, and etc. and providing services to customers. And as for making money online from Redbubble as a freelancer, you can provide services to Redbubblers or people who are working on Redbubble, like making professional designs about the niches, occasions, trends, events, and something like that, or making professional mockups to promote their designs on social media, And of course, you can get help from other tools like placeit.net, where you can make professional designs and professional mockups to your clients, And if you have a look at the license of Placeit, you will find here you are free to create content for a client and sell for a fee. This is a commercial license, so you can create your professional mockups, professional designs, and sell them as a freelancer on Fiverr, Goro, People Per Hour, Upwork, and so on and so forth. And if we have a look at Fiverr, one of the famous freelancing platforms, you will find here these services, You'll find this way. These guys provide their services for print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, TeePublic, Merch Amazon to make designs, mockups, and so on and so forth, So you can provide these services in these platforms, so the third way to make money online from Redbubble is being a freelancer. The fourth way is being an influencer. If you enjoy a big fan page and a social presence on social media like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube channel, just you can make as an influencer to Redbubblers and for Redbubble designers. And therefore, you can shout out their products on your pages in your Instagram or Twitter or YouTube and get paid some money for doing that, Another thing is, if you want to work as an influencer but don't have an Instagram account with this big number of followers, simply you can purchase a real Instagram account with a big followers piece. So how to do that? You will find some platforms like this one, tofame.com, and here you can purchase an Instagram account with a huge number of followers and fans to work as an influencer, As you see here, tofame.com, You'll find a lot of Instagram accounts for many niches like dogs, cats, motivation, and so on and so forth. So you can go to this category and you can find a fashion cloth, like this one, fashion and style, and you'll find a lot of Instagram accounts for sale, Okay, and the second platform to purchase an Instagram account with a big followers, this one, famesweb.com. As you see here, you will find a lot of different accounts for many social media like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and so on and so forth, with different number of followers and fan pages. And of course, these prices depend on the followers accounts and the engagement rate. Okay, so the first way to make money online from Redbubble is being an influencer. Okay. And the other four ways to make money online from Redbubble are specific for successful Redbubblers regarding their profits and their experiences. So you can share your success story in the following forms. You can make money online from Redbubble as a YouTuber. You can make a YouTube channel that's specific for Redbubble platform and for Redbubblers only. You can make your videos like how to upload your designs on Redbubble, how to make a pattern on Redbubble, how to make your designs better on search results, and so on and so forth. You can make a YouTube channel that's specific for Redbubble topics only. So you can be a specialized Redbubble YouTuber. Okay, and the way number 6 to make money online from Redbubble is send a course about Redbubble. And as I mentioned before, if you're a successful designer on Redbubble and have good tactics and strategies that would help other Redbubble designers, so you can present your experience in a course form. And of course, you can upload your course on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, or you can sell your own course on your own website. Okay. And the way number 7 to make money online from Redbubble is making a website and a blog specific for Redbubble and for Redbubblers. It is like YouTube channel, but it's in a written form. So you can make articles talking about Redbubble and how to upload designs and how to be successful on Redbubble as well. And just you can take advantage of the affiliate links and you can promote some affiliate products like Merch Titans, Fly Upload, Placeit, Canva, Vexels, and some premium fonts, and so on and so forth. Okay. And the way number 8 to make money online from Redbubble is which is called a tool creation. You can create a tool that would help other designers on their work on Redbubble. Like you can create a Chrome extension to get high quality and relevant keywords, search engine optimized tags of their designs, or a tool to know the newest niches, the newest trends, the best selling items, the best selling designs on Redbubble, and so on and so forth. And therefore, if you have a budget of money, just you can hire a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork to make this tool. Okay. And now we have known the 8 ways to make money online from Redbubble professionally. And as I said before, you can work on only one way, or you can work on all of them together to maximize your profits and your passive income. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.